Right, okay. So then what we do with the square is make sure that the line's straight. Just slightly a mil behind the line on the actual, using the square. So what that does is it makes sure that when I do cut, I'm cutting straight. So when I start off, it's not ding wrong. It doesn't look like we're going straight for me. Oh, we're hoping for the best. For the best. For the best. Need to put a stone under here, guys. Yeah, just put that under there. That's it. Alright, step on the wood. That's it. Right.
Oh, nice.
Oh, looks square. My cutting's not too bad. Isn't it? Look, it's balanced. It's a balance. So we had to make like an extension. So you can put some screws in the side and maybe later on get a bracket there as well so it doesn't wobble or fall down. Right, okay. So we've got the toolbox. We need screws. We don't want too long screws. These should do it, hopefully. Can you climb up on the wall?
Yeah.
Climb up and sit down over here. Good lad. Now if you hold this here, I'll screw this side in, yeah? Are you holding the ladder, boy?
Yes.
I think we might have got it that time.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think one more screw.
We need to put one in your side, yeah?
Oh.
Whoops, nearly went then.
I just saw your face.
You just saw my face, yeah, cause I slipped and I nearly fell, that's why, mate. What we're gonna have to do later on is, you know, once it's on proper, get brackets, you know, them brackets that go on, on that side and this side. Yeah. So this is just temporarily. Screws? 3. Hello, friend. How you doing? Gutter, man, cause the water falls over and goes all over the gate, man. So I thought,
I've seen it on your video.
you might be in this one.
Are you doing it now?
You're doing it now?
Give the film, mate. Give it away.
We'll give you a shout out. My friendly neighbours.
I'll watch it in a
See you in a bit.
Your car's got like this basement.
Yeah, he's got a system and everything in his. Right, that's one bracket on. Well, hey, we've got 10 more to go. 9, sorry. Right. Yeah, so you get the principle, guys. So this is what's going on. We're going to get brackets on this later. And then hopefully that black piece there should slide into there. So we're going to carry on and do the rest of these.
Alright, so basically how you going to do the next one?
How we do the next one?
Yeah.
Same as that?
A bit longer.
Hmm?
A bit longer.
So we have measured it that a little bit longer. Yes?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got 2 of them brackets on. But before I put the third one on, we want to make sure it is level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one in.
Oh, you was about to hit my head, man.
Sorry about that, mate. And I'm about to fall off.
Don't worry, I got you.
You got me, yeah? This is 11. So we need an 11 centimeter block in there. Okay. So far we've made these brackets going all the way to the end, yeah? We've made these brackets to there. We've also put a joint in here to connect both pieces together. But what I need to do now is, look, I'll show you. Need to fit the adapter, sorry, from there to let water come down and down this wall. You don't want water to just fly off there and then connect that other side there, and then hopefully should be done. But I need to put 2 more blocks on there, and then hopefully it should be done. Like I said, I'm not gonna put a pipe on the side of the wall just yet because this all needs cementing. Look at that. Put this back. You know what I mean? All this area here needs cementing, because otherwise the wall's just gonna fall down. So in summer, when the weather's better, I'm gonna have to learn how to, there's a special name for this sort of stuff. Re-cement? No. What I've done is I've removed this block, that block, and that block. Why? Because the water, you seen it, it's coming down, then it kind of went straight, and I don't want no water sitting in here. So what I've done is remove them 3 to slightly bring them down so the water can flow down and out of there. Probably see it better from this angle. So you know what I'm on about. See the water? See it? It's flowing down now, that way. So the water shouldn't hang around here. It should flow all the way down that gap. Put a cap on there so no water can come over. I haven't put a cap on that side yet, but I'm hoping for water not to go over that way, but I need to get a cap for that. But apart from that, it's nearly finished. So yeah, that's it. The guttering is on. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. And just to let you know before I finish, this was my first time doing this. If I can do it, you can do it. So that is roughly, hold on, 5.
11.5. Oh.
No, we can't do that one because we can't screw to the box. Oh yeah.
You missed one.
Missed one. We've come too far out. Yeah, so that's the second one done. We're gonna carry on with the rest of it. Alright, so we've got the light on in here, people. Wow. You know when the light comes on, you just feel a bit warmer, don't you? You just get that sense of warmth, even though they're not giving you no warmth. It's probably because it's bright. Are you getting tired? Here you go then. Yeah, look at him, he loves chocolate. That's it, mate. You know when they're about to give up, but they're about out, they're not feeling well, mate. Just give us some celebrations. That's it, energy's kicked in now, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna complete it now, aren't you? Yeah. Oh yes.
Teasers.
What the hell's teasers?
I don't know, I like calling them teasers.